Today we start with the Microsoft Intermediate. The first lesson in Microsoft Intermediate is working with sections. To insert section, place your cursor wherever you want to insert your section. Go to Layout and Layout, Page Setup panel or Page Setup group, Breaks. Here we have many breaks, page breaks and section breaks. In page breaks we have page, column, text wrapping, and section breaks we have next page, continuous, even, odd. Here you can also read these. What's page break do? Mark the point at which one page ends and another page begin. Let's insert a break. We call it page break. And page break, here we see the page break is inserted and the text starts from the next page. Press Ctrl Z to undo. Come again to breaks and going to next page was the same as page breaks, and continues, you know a break will be inserted and the text will continue in the same page. Next is, let's again press Ctrl Z. Continuous was that. There are two more, even page and odd page. What does that mean? See, insert a section break and start the new section on the next even number page, even page. Here we have inserted the even page break, section break, even page. Here in the status bar we have page 12 of 25. Go to the next page, which is will be an even page, and the text will start from the next page. See here, page number 14 of 25. Okay, come back, press Ctrl Z, entering once more the odd page. Okay, our break is here, section break odd page on page 12, and here we see text starts from page number 13 because we enter the odd page break, and the next page is the page 13 in itself. It's an odd number, then text starts from page number 13. It was all about section. You can practice to learn, and we will be coming back with working with columns.